So I'm going to show you the save box that is the final project. So here in the top design, we only add 3 LEDs. We still having our registers for the segment, for segment. We have our columns and rows for matrix keyboard and the 3 LEDs that is going to show us what is happening in the code or what action are activating based on the libraries. So then we only have to assign our registers the more efficiently way that we can do, and start with the box lib point H. We only activate our functions that we're going to use in the main C and in this new library. So for this library, we are going to use the keyboard library, the second library, and this new one, box library, and string point AH, because we're going to working with strings. So we assign a key, that this key is the same that is pushing when we use the matrix key. So that as is working like a pointer because it saved the same variable in this char key. So based on that, we have the password that is a default password to initialize the save box, and then we have the password of the user, the clean that we are going to use to clean what we write if we write a bad combination, the status, and the compare that we're going to use in different parts of the code. So first we have the start box that is going to be like the status is in 0. Well, we are going to read the keypad, and for that we are going to use the LED deny LED to say that we are in this position in this time of the code. When we change that status, we're going to pass to the box work that is going to open the box and do different things, right? And this is the box start. So for the read keypad, it's the same as the keyboard, but in this time we're going to use only for the 9 numbers, and it only going to read that. And if we press the asterisk, we are going to clean what we write if we are not sure that it's the correct password. And if you don't press that, you can continue and press the buttons that you want or is your password, and then it's going to storage in the array in the password user that is clean, that will show you that is clean, right? We're going to assign the key based on the 4 times, right? Okay, then the hold that is going to show you when you're pressing, where you're pressing, and where you stop, you're going to see that it's finally you can press to continue, you can press A, right? And that is where box start, and the box working it start. For that we only have the first while that help us to stay or wait for the user to press A to continue, and when they press A and the password is correct, the box is going to open and it's going to display the message open the box. And then if you want to close, you can select B or change the password with F. If we select B, we're going to close, and if the password was the incorrect one, you're going to deny the access, and the denied LED is going to start. Oh, right. Then if you press F, you're going to use this function that is change password, and if you select that character that is F, you're going to introduce the new password, right? So the new password, you can write it and it's the same. It's going to read it whatever you want. It's like the same like when we read the keypad. I'm going to assign in the new password, and we're going to copy that new password to the password of user, and just like that. And if we want to cancel that action, we can press C to cancel the action. If we don't cancel the action, we can we can change the password and return in the B section in when we want to close or change the password. Now, before that, we have to close it, and if we want to test our new password, we can do it, and it's going to works. So let's check it out in the code. So I think this all, and the main C is only initially like welcome to the SafeBox UP, and the box start in the main, and it's going to running and running and running. So let's restart the code. So as we said, welcome to the SafeBox. Right. So the codes start because the deny let is showing us that is starting. So let's put the default password, that is 1. So you see the whole let it's press 2, 3, and 4. So we are going to the while. Continue. To continue, press A, right? Okay, we have time. We press A. So the box is going to open because was the correct answer. Fine. So close. We're going to close with B, or we can change with we can change password with F. I think what was F? Yeah. So we're going to press F to change the password. So introduce the new password.